Hello everyone, this is Ablas. Today we have an exciting exploration of Purva Zenium lined up for you. Located in Hosahalli International Airport, Bengaluru, this incredible project is just 15-minute drive from the Hubble flyover. Situated within a sprawling 150-acre community of premium homes, Purva Zenium offers a truly exceptional living experience.
Purva Zenium presents a range of luxurious 2 BHK and 3 BHK residential apartments nestled amidst abundant greenery. This meticulously designed project is crafted to cater to a sophisticated and intelligent lifestyle. As you enter, you will be greeted by a grand entrance that sets the tone for the opulence that awaits you. Enjoy the benefits of a sodium-level clubhouse offering an array of amenities and services. Step into your home with confidence and convenience thanks to the safe biometric access. Moreover, each home is equipped with a fully pre-installed Google Home device, adding a touch of smart living. Experience stunning views from the extended balconies, allowing you to soak in the beauty of your surroundings. The spacious kitchen is designed to be water efficient, utilizing triple production technology. The master bedroom exudes magnificence and offers a tranquil sanctuary within your abode. With elegantly designed guest bedrooms, your visitors will feel right at home. Indulge in pure oxygen zones within the clubhouse, promoting a refreshing and healthy environment. Engage in a variety of indoor and outdoor sports and take advantage of over 25 lifestyle amenities, including a swimming pool, amphitheater, tennis court, gym and party hall.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are considering booking a home in Purva Zenium, feel free to contact us directly. Remember, we charge a zero brokerage fees and offers a free site visits. Stay connected with the Digital Giant family and I'll see you soon in our next video. Thank you. Bye bye.